At class, I'm Adil. This is your lecture number 9. Okay. Find the square root. Find the square root of the following by division method. In previous question, in previous lecture, we have done the square root of following by prime factorization. Now we will learn how to find the square root of the following by division method. So let's see. We have select question number 7. How to solve the square root by division method. So student, for solving the square root by division method, make pairs of digits from right to left. First of all, we have done a work that is making pairs from right to left. हमने right to left pairs बनाने हैं. Pair mean two digits count होंगे, ठीक है. Becomes three pairs from right to left. When you make the pairs, remember that always making the pairs from right to left. If the number digits are even, so we have complete pairs. अगर हमारे पास number digits even है तो हमारे पास complete pairs बन जाएंगे. मीन 3 pairs complete हैं. If the number digit is odd, then we have last digit on extreme left. Left will remain single. अगर हमारे पास let's suppose for example data term 2 1 0 1 5 है, we have make pairs, so last term will remain single at extreme left. Look for the whole square. Look for the number whole square is equal or less than the number of extreme left. Now we have took into the division form as pairs. Remember that in this division we have solving pair by pairs. हमने पेयर को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, पेयर को सॉल्व करेंगे. ओके, नाउ लुक फॉर द नंबर्स whose square is equal or less than the number of extreme left. हमने ऐसा एक नंबर देखना है जिसका स्क्वायर, कोई भी ऐसा नंबर जिसका स्क्वायर इस पेयर को सॉल्व करेंगे, पेयर्स को सॉल्व करेंगे फ्रॉम लेफ्ट साइड, जो 24 के इक्वल होगा. 24 के इक्वल हमने ऐसा एक नंबर लेना है जिसका स्क्वायर 24 के इक्वल हो या इससे लेस हो, उसका स्क्वायर देखना है, ठीक है. विच में बी अ सिंगल डिजिट और अ पेयर. वो सिंगल डिजिट भी हो सकता है और पेयर भी हो सकता है. ओके, सिंगल डिजिट भी हो सकता है और पेयर भी हो सकता है. दिस number will be divisor as well quotient. This number, remember that thing, this number will be divisor as well as quotient. मीन हमने एक ऐसा नंबर सेलेक्ट करना जो यहाँ पे डिवाइजर फॉर्म में भी लिखना है, इधर भी लिखना है, फिर ही स्क्वायर होगा ना, और वो इससे कम आ जाए. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1 1 आर, इधर भी लिखना है, डिवाइजर में भी क्वोशिएंट में भी. 1 1 आर 1, 2 2 आर 4, 3 3 आर 9, 4 4 आर 14, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. We can't write 25 because 25 is greater than 24. 25 is greater than 24. Okay, so we write 4. Remember one thing, the number should be same in divisor or quotient. The number should be same in divisor or quotient. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. Okay, now subtract 24, take carry from the next number, becomes 14. 14 minus 6 8. So down next pair, the term becomes 801. Now the term becomes 801. What is the next work for us? Subtract, double the quotient and write as divisor at in tens digit. ओके, हमने क्या करना है, इन दोनों को ऐड करना है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास वर्क क्या होगा, इसको और इसको ऐड कर देना है. 4 और 4 becomes 8, जस्ट ऐड कर दिया. नाउ वी हैव चूज अगेन अ टर्म. हमने एक टर्म और सेलेक्ट करनी है जो इधर भी लिखेंगे और उसको उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। मीन इधर भी लिखेंगे और इधर भी वही टर्म लिखेंगे। इस 8 को तो साथ साथ चले गए। नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कवर, नाउ टू हैव टू फाइंड अ नंबर। हमने इधर भी लिखना है और इधर भी लिखना है, और ऐसा नंबर ढूंढना है उसको उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने से इसके इक्वल या लेस आ जाए। मीन 8 के साथ अगर 1 लिखा है ना, तो इसको 1 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है, सेम नंबर से जो इसके साथ खुद से नंबर लिखना है। 8 के साथ कोई भी ऐसा नंबर लिखना है जिसको उसी के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है। वी हैव राइट द सेम नंबर विद दिस 8 एंड मल्टीप्लाई दैट नंबर। ओके, 1 1s are 81, नहीं ये भी 4 लेस देन 801। वी हैव राइट टेक 4 4s are 16, 6 here, 1 carry. Now 4 8s are 32, 4 8s are 32 और 1 33, 336. Now this is not also taken. If we write 8 8s are 64, 4 here, 6 carry. 8 8s are 64 and then add 6. 8 8s are 64, 704. This is not also, this is also less. If we have tried 9 9s are 81. Take 8 carry. Okay, so 9 8s are 72 or 8. 72 or 8 become 801. Okay, so this is our correct answer. This is that term we will take. Okay, if you observe that we have write 9 with this 8 and multiply with that 9 also. यहाँ भी वही नंबर लिखना है और उसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई भी उसी का। ये 9 इधर लिखा और इसके साथ वो नेक्स्ट 9 लिख देना। सिर्फ क्या लिख देना, नेक्स्ट 9। और 801 801. If you observe that the last pair is left, or if you observe that the last pair is zeros, both are zeros, our answer is complete here because zeros are not divisible. So if the zeros are in pair, we have take 1 0 on in quotient, 1 0 in quotient. Okay, so and write in this form. Okay, we have take just, if we have 2 pairs of zeros at last and our answer is complete divisible. अगर यहाँ पे आंसर कंप्लीट हो गया तो लास्ट पे 2 जीरो हैं तो एक जीरो को आंसर में लिख लेंगे, क्वेश्चन में लिख लेंगे. सो दिस इज आवर फाइनल आंसर 490. ओके, नाउ अगर यहाँ पे इससे लेस आता 801 से, लाइक दैट 790, 799 या समवन अदर टर्म कम्स, नेक्स्ट वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 790 like that term from this 801 and take these zeros down and becomes next new term, and we will divide again to complete our answer. Now here the answer, our division is complete as there, and the last pair of zeros is remaining at extreme right, so we will take 1 0 if the pair is remaining, so 1 0 in answer. Okay, so this is our final answer 490. So now students, see, we have choose part 5. We have choose part 5. That's why the reason is that because this is a odd digit number. Okay, so make pair from the very right side. If you see that at the extreme left a single number is left. Okay, make 2 pairs and a single number is left. How to solve that terms? As you know that students, we have solved in this method pair by pair. So you should solve this single 4 at firstly. Okay, हमने इस 4 को firstly solve करना है. So now we have take same number as quotient and divisor. So choose 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. If you see that 2 2s are 4, our answer is complete. 2 2s are 4, take 4. Okay, so now subtract 0, down next pair, mean 097 mean is a single 97. Okay, so now add divisor and quotient. 2 and 2 becomes 4. 2 and 2 becomes 4. Now same as it is in question number 7, write here a number and multiply with that number also till our answer becomes 97 or less than 97. We have write a number here by ourselves, a number here. When we multiply that number also, the number becomes 97 or less than 97. So take example 1 1, multiply, write 1 and multiply with 1 also. Remember that जो नंबर इधर लिखना उसको उसी के साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करवाना है. 1 1s are 1 and 1 4s are 4. अगर 2 ले लें ये तो नहीं हो सकता, can't possible is a far less than 97. Okay, so take 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 84. Now take 3, okay, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. If you observe that 129, can we write 129 here? No, because 129 is greater than 97. We have write this 84. The condition is that our answer should be 97 or less than 97, not greater than. So you should use this 84 as 2's. So write 2 here and write 2 here also. Okay, 84. Now 7 minus 4 3, 9 minus 1 8, 1 and down next pair. Now what is the next method? The last quotient जो हमने the last quotient and divisor should be add. ये last वाला 2 मीन ये last 2 इसमें add होगा. ओके, ये फुल टर्म इसमें add नहीं करी. नेक्स्ट एडिंग 42, दिस 2 विल बी एड एट दिस टर्म. जो लास्ट पे डिवाइजर हमारे लास्ट पे क्वोशेंट होगा ना, जो लास्ट वाला डिजिट होगा सिर्फ उसको ही ऐड करना है. फर्स्टली तो वी हैव ऐड बोथ क्वोशेंट एंड डिवाइजर, बट in second and third pairs and so on we have add just last part of the quotient in this term. Okay, like 44 to add होगा इसमें like 44. Okay, now see, in firstly we have add divisor and quotient, but in last and second and third terms we have just add the last term of the quotient in the divisor. Okay, now take 44. Now write a number with this 44 as its ones place. When we have multiplied with that number, our answer should be 1329. So take in examples 44, write, start from 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. I think 884 is or less than 1030, 329. So take 4 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 2 here, 1 take carry. Okay, so 3 4s are 12 or 1 13. If you observe that our answer matches to this term. Okay, so write 3 here, write 3 here and write 3 here also in quotient. So this is our complete division done. Okay, so no pair is left at extreme right, so our answer is complete. So what is the quotient? 223. So this is our square root of 49,729. 49,729. This is the square root. If you multiply 223 with 223, so this term will also come. Okay, अगर हम इसी के साथ दोबारा मल्टीप्लाई करवाएंगे तो ये टर्म दोबारा आ जाएगी. So that is the square root of that term. Okay, so this is the method. Firstly you have to making the pair from the very right side से right to left pairs बनाने, फिर solving pair by pair. firstly take a number as quotient as well as divisor. quotient and divisor सेम होंगे. फर्स्टली ऐसा कोई नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है जो हमारी फर्स्ट टर्म के इक्वल या लेस आ जाए. मीन हियर द फर्स्ट टर्म इज 4, so we have take 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. Can't possible because 4 is less than 9. Or you should solve pairs by pairs. Okay, you should take 2 2s are 4, the next pair is down. Okay, now add divisor and quotient. Here 4. Now we have write the a number with that divisor and multiply with the same number. इसके साथ जो नंबर लिखना है उसको सेम नंबर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आवर आंसर बिकम 84. इफ अगर हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 129. सो 129 is greater than 97. We can't write 97. This is understandable, students. We have write 84. Now subtract. Now down the next pair. Down the next pair. Then down the next pair. And then we have add the last digit of quotient into the that divisor becomes 44 and write with 2. Answer is less than, write with 3 and multiply with 3. So our answer, when we have multiply and when we have write 3 with this 44 and multiply with same 3, हमने जो इसके साथ नंबर लिखना था उसके साथ ही मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. ओके, 3 3s are 9. ओके, so 2 3 1. So this is our answer. We have right here, and the last digit of quotient we have right here also and here also. Okay, so this is our final answer. Okay, thank you. Hopefully you get it, your student. You should solve all the questions in your assignments, or your assignment should be checked.